Struggling to keep your project documentation organized? This video reveals how to integrate lab files within your Jira workflows for enhanced efficiency. The simplest method involves attaching files directly to your Jira issues. Navigate to the relevant issue and locate the attachments section. Usually at the bottom, click the Attach button, often represented by a paperclip icon. A File Explorer window will open. Browse your computer for your lab file, select it, and click Open or a similar button to initiate the upload. Once uploaded, you'll see the file attached to the issue. You can add comments to provide context and descriptions. For a deeper connection, consider linking your Jira issues with file-sharing platforms like Confluence. This allows for enhanced collaboration and centralized access. Explore the integration options available within your Jira instance to connect with external services. Choose the service and link the respective lab file. Ensure everyone has access and understanding of the connected documentation to foster clear communication and teamwork. Utilize these tips to transform your project documentation with Jira.